Dr. Singh, is it possible to determine the fee or cost for an implant without doing an examination?
It's very difficult to quote a specific price for someone without having done a proper examination and without understanding from the patient what the ultimate end result or the goal is. Because the cost depends on the type of an implant that's being used. It depends on the method of placement of that implant. Is it computer guided? Is it not? And it depends on the load that it's going to be asked to bear in the end. Is it a single tooth? Is it part of a bridge? Is it in an elderly person who has a weak bite? Or is it in a very strong muscular guy who is clenching and grinding his teeth all the time? So all of those factors have to be taken into account when designing the solution. And so therefore, it's very hard to give you a stock price. And I find that anyone who quotes a stock price on a website, for example, very misleading, because they're quoting that not understanding who the patient is or what the requirements of that implant will be.